If your child is going back to school, you're a business owner looking for fresh new seasonal designs, or if you're trying to build a portfolio for print on demand, whether that's Amazon, Etsy, or another platform, I've got two beginner-friendly designs for you today. And these designs aren't boring, they're simple but very nice, and that's exactly what makes them versatile. So let's start with the first one. Now, this one isn't on the thumbnail, but it's quick, easy, and perfect if you're just getting started. So for this design, I use stamp templates. You can grab Canva elements, just type blank stamps, and choose from what pops up or use the exact ones I'm showing. Now, I'm going to be using graphic elements today, not photos, because I want the flexibility to change colors, but here's where it gets fun. You can add a photo of your child, a favorite image, or even their name. And let me tell you, as a parent, I know the mystery of missing items once school starts. So adding your child's name makes the shirt unique and helps prevent those "that's not mine" misunderstandings. So for this one, I also use some circle frames. You can use as many or as few as you'd like. It's all up to you. Just keep in mind the color of the shirt this design will be printed on, as well as your printed method, whether it's DTF, sublimation, print on demand, because that will guide your color palette. And for this one, I'm going to be using a black t-shirt. So later on down, I will be changing my Canva background to black for a more realistic preview.
10 toes down, stand my ground, chasing this dream, novelty queens, pushing my brand, straight back chasing, so intentional, it's all about patience. Novelty, novelty, queens, let's get it.
Welcome to my world where we make magic every day. Let me show you how we do on life's canvas, don't stray. Sitting at my desk, paper scattered around, creating new patterns with items that I found. I've got beads and strings, waiting to be bound. I'm here to help you, 10 toes down.
I know you've been searching for a place to be. Creativity just sets you free.
Come paint with me, paint with me. Let's make something beautiful to see. Come paint with me, paint with me, in the space where we can truly be.
Toes down, stand my ground, chasing this dream, novelty queens.
Now, let's move on to the second design, which is the one featured on the thumbnail. I actually saw this shirt years ago, and that original message said, "My teacher survived 100 days of me." And I thought, why not make a sequel? So this one says, or it's going to say, "It's time to survive 100 more days of me." Isn't that cute? I honestly hope that your child's teacher or your children's teacher have a really good sense of humor. Okay, so if you're into more of a minimalist type of look, this design is going to be more bold, because this design is meant to be a little chaotic, because let's be honest, school can be. I'm starting with individual text boxes instead of one big text block, so I have more flexibility to move things around. For the font, I'm using Sunburn in this tutorial. You could go ahead and use the original, which is the intro Rust. That's the default text. Or just skim through the fonts and you can pick whatever fits your style.
Back chasing, so intentional, it's all about patience. Novelty, novelty, queens, let's get it.
Okay, so for this part, I'm just going ahead and just adding some colors. I'm adding the primary colors because, you know, school is very colorful. So is life. So go ahead and do that. Pick the colors that best suits you. And then we'll move on to the next step.
Crafting late night, recording every move, teaching what I know on videos, I approve. Fresh designs on shirts, that's the mood. Blessed concepts with artistic attitudes.
Okay, so the next thing that I'm doing is I'm adding this banner of school supplies right at the bottom. And then once I place everything, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to group all the elements so they're easier to move around. And if you're on a desktop, you can just right click and drag to select and group everything all at once. But since I'm not using my desktop today, I had to take the scenic route. So, you know, don't judge me, all right? Okay, so next I'm going to go searching for a broken arrow. And I grabbed this broken arrow to customize it. I used the dual tone effect because that's the only way Canva lets you to fully manipulate graphic elements from here. I have to duplicate it 3 times, delete the sections I didn't need, and rearrange it on the design. And I know it sounds like a lot, but you're going to see it just now, and it's really not. Another option is you can just go ahead and go on Google. You could type free PNG, make sure it's free, it's not copyrighted, and you're not taking anybody's design. And you could just use that to simplify it. You know what I mean?
I know you've been looking for your tribe to find. We're makers and dreamers intertwined.
Come play with me, let's make something beautiful to see. Come play with me in this space where we can truly be.
Okay, so to finish this project off, I'm adding some hearts to show that even though the child is bringing chaos, it's still all love, you know? I also threw in a heart sketch sun, which you're gonna see coming up. Some paper clips, ruler, paper airplanes, because why not? I also threw in a light bulb for future ideas. And some ABC letters to remind us that even in the chaos, education comes first. If this video gave you some fresh ideas, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss more tutorials, design inspiration, and small business tips. So let's keep creating together.
Bracelets bright and bold, tumblers that we hold, t-shirts telling tales, supporting when life fails.
We're making, we're sharing.
Toes down, stand my ground, chasing this dream. Novelty queens, pushing my brand, straight back, chasing so intentional. It's all about patience. Novelty queens, let's get it. Come pay with me, let's make something beautiful to see. Come pay with me in this space where we can finally be free. Queens, let's get it.
As the school year kicks off, remember every fresh notebook, every new idea, and every small step you take is part of building something bigger. Whether you're studying, teaching, parenting, or running your business, think of this season as a reset button. Just like students sharpen their pencils, we get to sharpen our skills, our vision, and our goals. So here's to fresh start and bold creations. Keep dreaming, stay soft, and let's build the life we love. I'll catch you later, Novelty fam.